Hey there, future money masters! Welcome to a journey that will transform the way you think about money. Ever wonder how some people seem to have their finances figured out? They always seem to know exactly where their money is going and how to make the most of it. They make it look easy, right? Almost like they have a secret formula or a magic wand that keeps their finances in perfect order. Well, I'm here to tell you that managing your money doesn't have to be a mystery. It's not about having a secret formula. It's about understanding some key principles and applying them consistently. It's all about making smart choices and having a plan. When you have a clear plan, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. That's where budgeting comes in. Budgeting is the foundation of smart spending. It helps you track your income and expenses so you know exactly where your money is going. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial goals. Just like a map guides you to your destination, a budget guides you to financial freedom. Ready to take control and make your money work for you? Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that your finances are in order and you're on track to achieve your goals. Let's dive in. This isn't about restricting yourself or living like a monk. It's about making conscious decisions that allow you to enjoy life while still saving for the future. It's about understanding where your money is going so you can make conscious decisions about your spending. When you know where your money is going, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. We're going to break down budgeting into bite-sized pieces, making it easy to understand and even easier to implement in your life. We'll cover everything from tracking your expenses to setting financial goals. We'll explore different budgeting methods so you can find the one that aligns with your personality and financial goals. Whether you prefer a detailed spreadsheet or a simple app, there's a budgeting method for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's okay. It's about finding what works best for you and your unique circumstances. Your budget should reflect your lifestyle, your goals, and your priorities. So buckle up, and let's embark on this exciting journey towards financial empowerment. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of smart spending and pave the way to a brighter financial future. By the end of this journey, you'll have the tools and knowledge to take control of your finances and make your money work for you. Let's get started. Let's be real, spending money can be incredibly fun. That instant gratification of buying something new is a feeling we've all experienced at some point. But what if I told you that you could still enjoy life's little pleasures while building a solid financial foundation? That's the beauty of budgeting. It's not about deprivation. It's about making conscious, informed choices. This guide will take you from being a spender to a saver and eventually an investor. We'll start by understanding your spending habits and identifying areas where you can potentially save. Then we'll create a plan to allocate your income towards your goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing for the future. The journey from spender to investor is a process, and like any journey, it starts with a single step. By learning how to budget effectively, you're taking that crucial first step towards financial freedom. Get ready to transform your relationship with money and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Imagine you're going on a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving without knowing your destination or planning your route, would you? That's where your trusty GPS comes in, guiding you every step of the way. Well, a budget is like a GPS for your finances. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can see exactly where your money is going. This awareness is key to making informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. No more wondering where your paycheck disappeared to. With a budget, you're in the driver's seat, navigating your way towards financial success. Think of your income as the fuel in your car and your expenses as the miles you travel. A budget helps you optimize your fuel efficiency, spending so you can reach your destination, financial goals, without running out of gas, money. It's about making your money work smarter, not harder, so you can achieve your financial aspirations. Section 4, Building Your Budget Blueprint. A step-by-step guide. Ready to create your financial roadmap? This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have a clear and actionable plan to manage your finances effectively. Let's break down the process of building your budget blueprint step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to track your income, Manage your expenses, set realistic financial goals, and allocate your income wisely. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With a bit of dedication and organization, you'll be on your way to financial stability and success. Step 1. Track your income. This is the foundation of your budget. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Start by listing all your sources of income. This includes your salary, wages, side hustles, freelance work, and any other money you receive regularly. Be thorough and include every possible source. Don't forget to account for irregular income, such as bonuses, gifts, or seasonal work. These can significantly impact your budget. Once you have a complete list, total your income to get a clear picture of your financial inflow. Step 2. Identify your expenses. Understanding where your money goes is just as important as knowing where it comes from. Next, make a comprehensive list of all your expenses. This includes everything from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. Be honest and detailed in your listing. Categorize them into fixed expenses like rent, utilities and loan payments, and variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and shopping. Fixed expenses are those that remain constant each month, while variable expenses can fluctuate. This categorization helps you see where you might have flexibility in your spending and where you need to be more disciplined. Step 3. Set realistic goals. Having clear financial goals gives you direction and motivation. Think about what you want to achieve with your budget. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or invest for retirement? Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals will help you stay focused and motivated. For example, if your goal is to pay off debt, determine how much you need to pay each month to achieve that goal within your desired time frame. If you're saving for a down payment, calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your target amount. For retirement, consider how much you need to invest regularly to build a comfortable nest egg. Setting clear goals will give you direction and motivation. It will also help you prioritize your spending and saving decisions. Step 4. Allocate your income. Now comes the fun part. Based on your income, expenses, and goals, allocate a specific amount of money to each category. This is where you decide how much you can realistically spend and save each month. Start by covering your fixed expenses, then allocate funds to your variable expenses. Make sure to set aside money for your financial goals. This might mean cutting back on some variable expenses to ensure you can save or invest as planned. Allocate a specific amount of money to each category. This will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. This is where you decide how much you can realistically spend and save each month. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. Section 5. Budgeting styles, finding the perfect fit for you. Just like clothing styles, there are different budgeting methods to suit different personalities and preferences. Finding the right budgeting style is crucial because it can make managing your finances feel more natural and less like a chore. Just as you wouldn't wear a winter coat in the summer, you shouldn't force yourself into a budgeting method that doesn't fit your lifestyle or financial goals. Let's explore a few popular ones to find the perfect fit for you. First, the envelope system. This method is particularly useful for those who prefer a tangible way to manage their money and want to avoid overspending. This classic method involves dividing your cash into different envelopes labeled with specific spending categories. For example, you might have envelopes for groceries, entertainment, and transportation. This way, you can visually see how much money you have left in each category, making it easier to stick to your budget. Once an envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category for the month. This can be a great way to curb impulse purchases and ensure you're living within your means. Next, the 50-30-20 rule. This simple approach allocates 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's a balanced method that allows for both essential expenses and some discretionary spending. By following this rule, you can ensure that you're not neglecting your savings while still enjoying some of your income. It's a great way to maintain financial health without feeling too restricted. Then, zero-based budgeting. This detailed method involves assigning every dollar of your income a specific purpose. Whether it's for bills, groceries, or entertainment, every dollar is accounted for. The goal is to have $0 left over at the end of the month, meaning you've planned for every expense and saving goal. This method can be particularly effective for those who want to ensure they're making the most of their income, with every dollar accounted for. And finally, budgeting apps. Technology to the rescue. In today's digital age, there are numerous apps designed to help you manage your finances more efficiently. Numerous budgeting apps can help you track your income, expenses, and progress towards your goals. These apps often come with features like automatic categorization of expenses, reminders for bill payments, and even financial advice, and progress towards your goals. They can provide real-time updates and insights into your spending habits, helping you make more informed financial decisions. They can even categorize your spending automatically. This can save you time and effort, making it easier to stick to your budget. Whether you prefer a traditional method like the envelope system or a modern approach with budgeting apps, the key is to find a system that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals.